15th, and it's also Tacky Tourist Day. This is Lighthouse Live, World Academy's morning news show. I'm the Mandolorian, and this is Baby Yoda. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Morning news show. Now over to you, Dr. Friendly and Miss Choate.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Good morning, Mrs. Choate.
Good morning, Dr. Fradley. You look fun and festive.
I was about to say you look a little tacky. It's Tourist Day.
It's Tacky Tourist Day.
I kind of look tacky. This is my shirt, but this is Mrs. Dr. Fradley's hat. So
I like it.
I definitely look tacky. I know. See what everybody else is going to be wearing today. I hope they upload some pictures.
That sounds fun.
Yeah. So what's happening next week?
Yeah, so hey, Monday starts our arts showcase week, and Monday is dance day, so you can show us your best dance moves.
What is your best dance move, Mrs. Choate?
Best dance move? I think I'm kind of a classic one, like the swim, something like that. What about you?
I like the Cabbage Patch.
Oh, there you go.
I got this, but I know our kids are way better.
Rally. We'll be
I'll try that.
Okay.
All right, that's right. Well, I know our kids are great dancers, so they're going to show us a bunch of cool stuff.
Yeah.
And after news every day next week. So let me look at the list. Monday is dance. Tuesday is film festival. Wednesday's drama. Thursday's art and claymation. And Friday ends with our virtual Little Mermaid show.
I am super excited for all of that stuff. It sounds great.
Yeah. So boys and girls, don't miss the news. It's going to be amazing. And remember, if you're not able to watch it that specific day, it's right there linked on our website, on the YouTube channel. Make sure you bookmark that, and you guys can see all the news programs whenever you want. Do we have a clip?
I think we have a clip.
Okay, let's roll the clip.
Get away my voice. How can I have your looks? Your pretty face. And don't underestimate the importance of body language. Come on, you poor unfortunate soul. Go ahead, make your choice. I'm a very busy woman and I haven't all day. It won't cost much, just your voice.
Wow, was that Ursula and her eels?
That was Ursula. That was pretty awesome.
That is pretty awesome. I can't wait to see the whole thing. All right, Mrs. Choate, is there anything else we need to tell everybody out there in TV land?
That is all that I have today.
All right, you guys have a wonderful Friday. Have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you on Monday. Back to the announcers. Bye.
Bye.
So I'm going to teach you how to make an origami Yoda. So you'll need one sheet of paper, some scissors, a green, black, and brown marker, and some tape. So first you want to fold your paper in half. And then you want to cut it. So you're going to take one of those pieces of paper and you want to fold about 2 centimeters down. About as long as that. Then you want to fold these creases for the ears. And then you want to fold those in. Okay. So now you want to flip your paper over and fold about 1 inch up. Then fold that backwards so that way you have a zigzag in the back. I'm going to make that a bit bigger because I'm using half of a piece of paper. So then you want to flip that back over and fold this backwards, fold that, and fold down. Now you want to fold so that way that is Yoda's cloak. So now you have this. I'm going to flip your paper over again and fold in. Make sure you have a bit, you're folding at diagonal so that way you have his feet. Then you want to fold the other side in. Okay, so now it should look like this. If you need to do any other folds, do that. Then you want to fold these parts out for his ears. And then if you need to make any more adjustments, yeah, do that. Nobody's perfect. He's got an ear a bit low, but that's okay. And so then you want to get some tape and tape the back together. Then get your black Sharpie and put a cute little smile. And then you want to color all that in. So after you finish coloring everything in, and you might need to add in a little extra layer so you can see it through the green. Then you got a cute little Yoda finger puppet. And may the force be with you. I'm a power, Rowlett Owl, in uniform I'm dressed. I pledge to follow Rowlett rules and always do my best. I'll be proactive, choose and take responsibilities. I'll show respect to others and their properties. I'll set goals, but first things first and do what I'm assigned. My attitude will be win-win with safety rules in mind. I'll listen so I'll understand and follow all directions. I'll be responsible for my behavior and corrections. With teamwork I will soar with more and others synergize. I'll renew and sharpen up with power as my prize. All right!
Meet you on Mandalore, soldier.